What up every guys, it's your boy Blueser on my first video about Affinity 60 sound test. So guys, today we're going to discuss about the sound test and the build quality of the Affinity 60 and all the specifications. Check it out, this is the box of it. So we have the features in it: Bluetooth 4.0, NFC, a wireless mic, an LED display, USB, FM radio and a remote control. At the side we can watch the specifications: 2.2 computer multimedia speaker, powerful subwoofer and touch and play of music. It's having all kinds of features, and the power RMS is 55 watts into 2. It's equal to like 110 watts. It's 18.5 kgs. Okay guys, so it's in black color. I have purchased in black. Okay, and I have purchased through Flipkart, and I got the product for about like 10,000 rupees. Okay guys, so let's get started and I'll show you the speakers. Here we go. So these are the speakers guys, and here we'll find a subwoofer of 8-inch on each channel, and there are totally 2 speakers, 1 tweeter and 1 woofer in each channel. It means there are totally 8 speakers. Sorry, there are 4 speakers and 2 tweeters and 2 subwoofers. And at the side you can watch the buttons of power, Bluetooth, source, scan and everything, a USB plug, and this is for mic volume, and this is for and these are for extra channels, for mic channels. Okay, if you want to add extra mics we can add it. Alright, on at the back side there's a USB 2.2 aux cable, and this is a connectivity for this another box. Okay. So guys, let us take a sound test. So guys, this was the sound test, and the bass, you guys can listen the bass. The bass is really amazing. It's like hard to ring bass, and the bass is really superb. I love the bass, and the sound quality is really good. And I got this product for about 10,000 through Flipkart, and this order is really amazing, and the packaging was good and everything was totally good in it. So we also get a microphone, a wireless microphone, and which is the microphone is also really good in it, and also make a test of it, and I'll also show you the test. Okay, so guys, This is the microphone box. Okay, here we get aux cable and an extra RC cables, and the build quality of the cables are not bad, not that quality, but they are not bad. So this is the microphone in it. Okay, and guys, we don't get cells for this microphone, we get cells only for the remote control of it. I don't know why did company do that. So these are the cells. Okay, sorry. So now let us test the microphone. Okay, so this is the button. As you guys can hear, we are on the microphone. Now I'll increase the volume. So this is the full volume. The full volume of the home theater is 30. Okay. The microphone volume and the audio volume both are same and both are equal. Okay guys, as you can watch the clarity of it, it's pretty good. Okay guys. So guys, this was the video. If you guys liked it, please subscribe my channel and hit like, and please support guys. Love you, and let's meet with another video.